This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, now just check it. Now listen. So in the last class, what we have seen, introduction to JavaScript we have seen. Just some basic program we have seen. What is JavaScript and how it works, just we have a basic idea. Now we want to elaborate the knowledge of JavaScript. That is, I want to implement something like operators, control statements. This type of stuff I want to cover. Which one? Stop talking, listen. Listen, don't talk to your neighbors. Yesterday we have seen the basics of JavaScript. Which one we have to understand now? Operators of JavaScript. Which one? Operators of JavaScript. So keep the heading operators of JavaScript. Operators of JavaScript. Okay, so which one? Operators of JavaScript. Now listen, what is operator? Any guess? Operator which will perform some operation. Operator is a symbol to perform some operation. I want to add the number. Can I guess which operator we have to use? Plus operator. Plus for addition. I want to add the numbers, means plus. Same way, less than, equal to, double equal to, like this different operators have different purpose. So we want to understand the operators and how they work with some examples. Now listen. So write the description. Operator is a symbol to perform operation. Operator is a symbol to perform operation. Operator is a symbol to perform operation. Now listen. So I want to take one example. Now listen. Just there is something like 10 plus 2. It's a puzzle for you. What is the answer? Can you tell me? Huh? 10, right? 12. Sure? I'm not sure about that. Okay. So in this example, there are 3 things are available. 3 things. Operand 1, operator, operand 2. What are the 3 things are available in this? 3 things. What are they? Tell me. Operand 1, operator, operand 2. So can you tell me which is operand 1? 10 is operand 1. Can you tell me what is operator here? Plus. Plus is an example of operator here. Can you tell me what is operand 2 here? 2 is an example of operand 2. So here 3 things available. The symbol exactly which will represent the actual operation is operator. The symbol that represents the actual operation is called as operator. For that operation, what are the input values that we are passing? All that input values are called as operands. What is operator here? The symbol that represents the operation. What is operand? The input values that we are passing to the operator is called as operands. So plus is one operator which will perform some addition. To that operator, we are trying to pass some input values. What are the input values that we are passing? 10 is one value, 2 is another value. So 10, 2 are examples of operands. Understand? Operands. The input values that we pass to the operator is operand. The actual operation is represented as one symbol. That symbol is what? Operator. Clear? So write this. Write this. 10 is operand 1. Operand 1. Operand 1. 2 is operand 2. And plus is operator. Plus is operator. Okay, plus is operator. So we have understood what is operator, what is operand. So write the definition also. Operator is what? Symbol. Operands are what? Operands are the input values that we pass to the operator to perform operation. To perform operation. Operands are the input values that we pass to the operator to perform operation. Here, what is operation here? Some addition of numbers is operation here. Okay, all of you done this, check it. Okay, next and after that, we have different types of operators. What are they? Different types of operators we have. Try to write it. Types of operators. Types of operators in JavaScript. Types of operators in JavaScript. The first one, arithmetical operators. First one, arithmetical operators. First type of operator is arithmetical operators. Arithmetical operators. Second one, assignment operators. Assignment operators. Which one? Assignment operators. First one is what? Arithmetical operators. Second one is assignment operators. Next one, relational operators. Next, logical operators. Logical operators. Okay, logical operators. Okay, next, concatenation operator. Next, which one? Concatenation operator. Okay, these are the different types of operators. So keep the first heading, first one, arithmetical operators. First one, arithmetical operators. Arithmetical operators. So can you guess what is the actual purpose of arithmetical operators? They are really used for which one? Mathematical calculations. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, finding out the remainder, these are all nothing but what? Arithmetical operators. So first one, plus, for addition of numbers. Plus is used for addition of numbers. Minus for subtraction. Star for multiplication. Slash for division. Percentage for remainder. Percentage for remainder. Okay, percentage for remainder. So, plus, minus, star, slash, percentage. These 5 are called as which one? Arithmetical operators. So, let us take one example for this. Let's take it. First, as usual, we have to go to Visual Studio Code. We have to create the program. HTML head body is same. Next one after that, title. Which topic we are learning now? Arithmetical operators. Which one? Arithmetical operators. Okay, save this. Arithmetical .html. Okay, file extension is what? .html. .html we have to provide, and we have to save it in which location? C: JavaScript location. Save it. Now, how to execute this? Go to the folder and double click on the file. Go to C: JavaScript, double click on the arithmetical.html. Now, are you getting any visible output here? No. So, just we have to just go to, just I'm keeping heading. So, that heading also optional. Just for understanding purpose only keep the heading. Heading also really optional. If you don't write heading also not a problem. Now, actual thing that we have to write is what? Script. What we have to use? Script. Now, I am going to use console.log of hello. I want to see the output hello. Where you can see the output hello? In the console. In the browser console we can see. How to open browser console? Any idea? F12 or inspect element. Keyboard shortcut F12. Keyboard shortcut F12. So, I am pressing F12. I am talking about function key F12. Somebody is pressing F and then 1 and then 2. Understand? Not possible. Here we have to press which one? F12. Function key F12. Now, by default it will open like this actually. Inspector. We have to click on which one? Console. Okay. By default it will show the HTML tags. We have to click on console. So, now we can see hello. Right. Now, here I just want to take some variables. Yesterday I told about variables. Where keyword is used to create variables, I told. Where some variable name, any variable name we can provide. For example, a equal to 10, comma, b equal to 3. How many variables I created? 2 variables I created. A equal to 10 and b equal to 3. That's all. Next, and after that, we are going to take one more thing like console.log of a plus b. Any guess what is the output here? Output is 13. 10 plus 3 is nothing but what? 13. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 3. I said a plus b. That means 10 plus 3 that is equal to 13. So, save this and run this. Run means refresh here. Now, we can see the output 13. That's enough. Next, and after that, same like this. I am going to place a minus b. So, 10 minus 3 how much? 7. 10 minus 3. Next, I want to multiply. For multiplication, what is required? Star. Star operator is required. So, now we can see multiplication 10 into 3. Next, 10 by 3. 10 divided by 3, that is 3.33, some change. Okay, next, 10 mod b. Mod means what? Remainder. Remainder we will get. After division, the remaining value is nothing but remainder. So, what you can see 1. Okay. 10 mod 3 is nothing but what? 1. 1 is a remainder. Okay. 3 3s are 9. So, remainder is what? 1 itself. That's all. Now, instead of printing this particular variable value directly, can we store in a variable? Listen, I just cut this. I am taking one more variable. C is equal to that one. A plus B value. First, I am not printing directly. I am not printing. First, I am calculating A plus B. Then the result of the calculation, I am going to store inside C. So, first, this will happen. First, this part. Not the left side one first. First, right side one executes. What is the right side one? A plus B. First, A plus B happens. What is A plus B here? 10 plus 3, that is 13. Finally, for this 13 came. 13. That 13 will be stored into the variable C. Now, can you tell me the value of C? C is equal to 13. C is equal to A plus B means C is equal to 13 only. So, that's why we are giving C. Console.log means printing. What you want to print? C value you want to print. So, what is the output you can expect here? 13. 13 you can expect. All of you able to understand any confusion? Simple. A plus B means 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 we are trying to store into a variable. What is a variable? C. C is a variable. Then we are trying to print something. So, as a result we got 13. Same like that, if you want, you can convert all these remaining statements also into variables. So, with variables we can print the output. Without variables also we can print the same output. Addition will not change with variable or without variable. Addition is always addition only. Result will not change. Only the thing is, are you storing in a variable or not? That is the only difference. Next, which is better in real time, with variables or without variables? With variables is always better. Real time point of view, with variables always better. So, instead of printing the value directly, or which is recommended is, store the result of the calculation inside a variable. Then that variable we have to print next time. That is the best practice. Okay, now let's complete the remaining things also. D is equal to, can you tell me? A minus B. Now, can you tell me the statements? E is equal to A into B. F is equal to A by B. G is equal to A mod B. That's all. Now we are trying to print C, D, E, everything. That's all. Okay, that's all. Now check it. Do you feel any difference in output? Output has no different with variables or without variables. Same calculation, same addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Same process happens. Only with variables is a good practice of programming. So try to follow with variables. So whatever the calculation we have done, it is better to store in a variable. Then utilize the same variable value in the further programming while printing or anything else. That's all. Write this. Okay, done. Clear, right? Next, the second type of operator we are trying to see. The second one, assignment operators. Second one, assignment operators. Assignment operators. Assignment operators means used to assign the value into variable. Write it. Used to assign value into variable. Used to assign value into variable. So we have a value and I want to assign that value into, store that value into variable. So we have a variable and we have a value. I want to store that particular value inside a variable. How to store the value inside a variable? By using assignment operators. Understand? By using assignment operators, we can store or assign a value into variable. Now, what are the operators available? Just check it. First, equal to. Equal to is one example of what? Assignment operator. But actually, already we have used equal to or not? Check it. Everywhere equal to, equal to, equal to. Everywhere, wherever we are using equal to, that is nothing but assignment operator only, which is used to assign right side value into left side one or left side value into right side one. Left side value into right side one. Right side value into left side one. Right side value into left side one. Suppose x equal to y, for example. X value will be copied into y or y value will be copied into x. Y value, right side value will be stored into left side variable. So just say this is the right side value. Okay, this right side value will be copied into the left side variable. Understand? The right side value is what? A into B. Whatever the result of multiplication, that is called product. The product of the multiplication, product of A and B, will be stored into which one? E. Understand? E equal to product of A and B. That's all. So just write it. Next, plus equal to. Add and assigns to. Add and assigns to. Minus equal to. Subtract and assigns to. No space in the middle. In between plus and equal to, no space. Subtract and assigns to. Star equal to. Multiply and assigns to. Slash is equal to. Divide and assigns to. Mod equal to. Remainder assigns to. Remainder assigns to. Okay, that's all. Now check it. I want to simply assign a value into variable. Which operator is suitable? I want to simply assign a value. We have a value. Assign that value into some variable. Which is suitable for that? Equal to is suitable. Equal to. We have a value. We can store into a variable for that requirement which is exactly suitable for me. Equal to is suitable. Okay, fine. Next, I want to first add the number. Then I want to store the result into a variable. Then plus equal to. I want to first subtract the subtraction result, that is difference. I want to store into variable. That is what? Minus equal to. First I want to multiply. After multiplication, you will get product. The product value you want to store into variable. Then what to do? Star equal to. I want to divide. I will get some quotient. The quotient value you want to store into some variable. That is slash is equal to. First I want to find out the remainder. The remainder value you want to store into a variable. Then percentage is equal to or modulus is equal to. These are the various operators. Just check it out. I am taking this program assignment.html. Assignment.html. Now listen. Okay, fine. So here also we have taken 10 and 3. A equal to 10, B is equal to 3. That's all. Presently no output. I just open the console. Click on console now. Presently no output. Right. Now I want to say console.log of A. Can you guess what is output from this? 10. Simple. A equal to 10. Just before a moment only we told that A equal to 10. So what is the value will get there? 10 only. A equal to 10 means what is the value of A? 10 only. That's all. So here do you know comments double slash? Anybody of you know comments? Comments. We can write any comments there. Those comments will not execute. Just for explanation only it will be useful. Even though we have written comments, this will not be checked by the compiler or will not be checked by the browser. Will be simply kept it as it is. It won't be executed. So comments are used for just explanation purpose. So here, can you guess what is output here? Output. 10 is output. I am writing here 10 just to understand, just to make you understand only I am writing here. Okay, just output is 10. That's all. Next, I am also writing A plus equal to B. A plus equal to B. Can you guess what is output? A value is what? 30, right? 13, 13. Why? Because, listen, this is the shortcut for A is equal to A plus B. Understand now? A equal to A plus B. A plus equal to B is nothing but shortcut for which one? A equal to A plus B. A plus equal to B or A is equal to A plus B, both are same. Both are same. So what's going on here? A plus B, tell me A plus B? 13. 13 is there. The 13 will be stored into which one? A. Understand now? First A plus B will be calculated. Then the result 13 will be stored into the variable A. Right. Now the 13 is stored, so the same is printed here. Okay, fine. Next, and after that, A minus equal to B. Can you tell me output here? 7, right? 7. Okay? 7 we are getting. 7, right? This is what? 1 0 is nothing but what? 7. All of you able to understand? Do you know numbers? 1 0 is equal to 7. Correct or wrong? Wrong. What is that? 1 0 is called as 10. 10. Sure? How it is 10? Tell me. You are saying 10 minus 3. That is wrong. 13 minus 3 we have to say. Listen. A equal to A minus 3 is nothing but A equal to A minus B. A minus B. What is A value right now? Latest. Always latest. Forget about old. What is original? Forget about that. Oh, latest. Latest is what? 13 minus B. 13 minus B. 13 is what? A. Okay. A is what? 13. B is what? 3. 13 minus 3 we have to say. then you will get obviously 10. So 10 is the output. 10 will be 10. We got 10. 10 will be stored into which variable? A. B value will not be disturbed. B value will not be modified. B value always be constant. That is 3. But A will be modified. A minus equal to means A value will be updated as 10. So output is not 7. Output is what? 10. Output is 10. That's all. So always remember latest. Latest we have to remember. Now listen. Suppose what is your age? Secret. What is your age? 15, right? 40 years back, 15. Okay. Suppose you said 20, for example, 20. Just before 3 years, I was asking you, what is your age? As of now, your age is what? 20. Okay. Before 3 years, I was asking means, what you will tell? 17 you will tell or not? Is it mean that once upon a time you said 17, so till end of the life you will keep on saying 17 only? Latest you have to tell. Up to that moment, as per that moment, whichever is latest is that you have to tell. Understand? Here also, latest value only we have to consider. What is the latest value? 13. As per that example, 13. So 13 minus 3. That value 10 will be stored in the A. So output is 10. Now tell me, what is the latest value of A? 13, right? 10 is latest. 10 is latest now. Next, after that, A star equal to B, which means A equal to A star B. Tell me output. 30. 30. Check it. Now we can see which one? 30. All of you able to understand 30 because 10 into 3. That's all. Next, and after that, A by B divided by. So what is the output you will get? 10 you will get. Why? 30 divided by B. That is 3. 10 by 3. Sorry, 30 by 3. 30 by 3 is nothing but what? 10 only. That's all. Now we can say 10. Okay, next one after that. What is the latest value? Latest value of A. 10 is the latest value. So 10 mod 3. 1. That's all over. These operators over. Assignment operators over. Check it. So overall output should be just to cross verify. Output should be 10, 13, 10, 30, 10, 1. Check it. Is it correct or not? Correct. Okay, write this. Okay, just to do one thing. In every example, HTML head body, this is common, right? Even heading also we can understand easily. No need of writing. Only script part enough to write. Only script part. Only this part. Write only the script part enough to write. Remaining same as previous. Okay, done this part, check it. Clear. Okay, next and after that, next topic. So in the list, we forgot one thing actually. Increment, decrement operators we forgot actually, just add it, the right side somewhere. Increment, decrement operators we forgot. Increment, decrement operators we have to add. Totally 6 types. Okay, so what is this increment, decrement operators? Try to understand. Increment, decrement operators. So plus plus, plus plus, minus minus are increment, decrement operators. You want increase by 1 or decrease by 1. You want increase by 1 means plus plus we have to use. You want to decrease by 1 means minus minus we have to use. Increment by 1 is plus plus. Decrement by 1 is minus minus. That's all. So plus plus means plus equal to 1. Plus plus is shortcut for plus equal to 1. Or we can also say variable is equal to variable plus 1. Variable equal to variable plus 1, just a plus plus, both are same. Same way minus minus. Minus minus is shortcut for minus equal to 1, or we can say variable equal to variable minus 1. Okay, that's all. Now check it. Check the program. All of you written this? If not, write it. Backside people can sit here if you want, just here clearly visible. Okay, now check it. Increment, decrement operators. Where a equal to 10 as usual. Next, if you print a, so what is output here expected? 10 is expected. Expected output is 10 there. 10. 10. Right click, inspect element. console. In the console, what you can see now? 10 you can see, 10. Next, and after that, we also have A plus plus. A plus plus means what? A equal to A plus 1. A equal to A plus 1. Means, what is the output here? 11 you will get, 11. 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 you will get, 11 here. Okay, right. Next one after that, A minus minus. So what is the output here? 10 is the output. 11 minus 1 is what? 10. Don't think 10 minus 1, it is, don't think, correct. Don't think 10 minus 1. Think about 11 minus 1. 11 minus 1 is what? 10 only will get. Simple. Latest value we'll consider. What is the latest value now? It was 11. 11 minus 1 is 10 we have to say. See, latest value 11 here. 11. 11 minus minus. A minus minus means 11 minus minus. 11 minus minus means we'll get 10 only we'll get. That's all. So simple output is 10, 11, 10. Write this. Complete HTML program is same. Only script part enough to write. Okay, clear. Over. Next one. Relational operators, right? Relational operators. Relational operators. So what is relational operator? You want to compare. For comparison, what is required is relational operators required. We have two values with a left hand one value, right hand other value. Just you want to compare. You want to compare which is larger, which is smaller, both are equal or both are not equal. Just you want to compare. For comparison, what is required? Relational operators required. So first double equality is what? Equals means comparison, not assignment but comparison. This is not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay, done. Okay, now listen, just check it. Relational operators.html. Okay, just check it. We are going to create two variables. A is equal to 100, B is equal to 200. But we have a doubt. I want to compare A and B both are equal or both are not equal, or A is less than B or B is less than A. I want to compare. I want to perform the comparison between A and B. For comparison, what operator is required? Which one? Relational operator is required. Just check it. Just I am going to assign A double equal to B. A double equal to is nothing but what? Comparison, not assignment, comparison. Just you have to check whether A value or B value equal or not. What is the value of A? 100. What is the value of B? 200. So now we have to check whether A and B both are equal or not equal. You check really, both are equal or not equal? Not equal. So this is true or false? False. See, for anything we can say either true or false. So for this one we can say either true or false. Okay, for this actual answer is false. False. So that's why if you are giving A equal to B, what we are getting is false we are trying to get. Check there, false we got. The result is not a number. The result is nothing but true or false. True or false is also called as Boolean. Boolean type. Boolean means true or false. Okay, that's all. Next. A not equal to B. Can you guess the output? True. Because A is really not equal to B. You can check really A is not equal to B. And output is, here I am writing output, here false, here I am expecting true. Next, after that, A less than B, true or false? True. Because A, that is 100, is less than B, that is 200. So we got true here. False, true, true. Check it. Next, A is greater than B. A is, I am saying that 100 is greater than 200. It's false. Next, A is less than or equal to B. True or false? Less than or equal to B means true. Means A may be less than or may be equal to. Anything is okay. A can be less than B or A may be equal to B. Anyone is okay. So it is really less than. That's why it is true. A greater than B, that is false. That's all. So finally what we expected is like this. Check it. Okay, false, true, true, false, true, false. False, true, true, false, true, false. Check it. Output correct or not, check it. That's all. Write this. Okay, clear now? Don't talk. Okay, done. Everyone check it. Clear, right? Fine. Next, after that, logical operators. So, logical operators mainly used for combining two conditions. Condition 1 we have, condition 2 we have, not variables, conditions we have. Two conditions I want to combine means mainly we have to go for which one? Logical operators. Condition 1, condition 2. Sometimes we are expecting both condition 1 and condition 2 both should be true. Sometimes we are looking for at least any one should be true. So, for these two requirements they are providing and or. And means both conditions must be true. Or means at least any one condition should be true. At least. If both conditions are true, more happy, but at least any one condition should be true. So write it. And means both conditions must be true, or means at least any one condition should be true. Double and symbol is and operator. Double ampersand is and operator. Double pipe symbol is or operator. Next, or. This is not. Not means given condition will be reverse. That explanation mark is or. Sorry, not saying that given condition will be reverse. True become false, false become true. Okay. Okay, right. Next, check the program. Okay, logical operators, check the program. Okay, just we are saying A equal to 100, B is equal to 200. A is equal to 100, B is equal to 200. Next, C is equal to 50. How many variables we have? 3 variables we have. Okay. Now, I want to check A is equal to B. Otherwise, A less than B. Condition true or false? A less than B. Check it carefully. A 100 is less than 200. I am saying A is less than B. 100 is less than 200. Condition true or false? True. True we are getting. Output is true. Okay, check there. Now we got true. Okay, that's fine. Next, we want one more condition. B is greater than C. This one is true or false? True. Okay, now I want to combine these two conditions. I am expecting both conditions must be true. Then only final result will be true. I want to get only one true. I want to get the true only when both conditions are true. At least any one condition is false. I don't want to get true. I will get false only. So I am just adding and symbol followed by this one. That's all. So finally you will get only one time true. But we will get when that true value, when both conditions are true, then only we will get true. Now what happened? We got true. We got true. Next, I am writing B less than C. B less than C we are writing. Now what will we get here? False we will get. Why? Why we are getting false? First one is true or false? True. First one has no fault. It's true. But second one, false. At least one is false means overall result is false only. So we got false here. Just check it. Okay, we got false. That's all. But if you are keeping something like or means what? At least anyone is okay. At least anyone is must be true. At least one. So what will you get here? True. Because the reason first one itself is true. Even no need of checking the second one. No need of checking the second one. The second one may be true, may be false, not a problem. In both cases, as the first one itself is true, overall result is true only you will get. So here we got true, check it. Next, after that, not is available. Not means given condition will be reverse. What will you get here? Here, true. True you will get. True you will get. Why? Why we are getting true? Actually what's happening? Really first it will check this B less than C. B less than C I am saying. I mean 200 is less than 50 I am saying. Is it true or false? False actually. False. But because of not, it will become reverse. False become true. True become false. It will just make it reverse. So that's why we got true here. Optionally, we can also keep brackets to avoid the confusion. To specify the boundary of the condition, we can specify the brackets. It is optional. Okay, now also same output. That's all. Write this point. Okay, clear now? Check it. Over. Next and after that, sixth type of operator, don't talk to the numbers. Sixth type of operator is which one? Concatenation operator. Concatenation operator. Okay, plus is nothing but what? Concatenation operator. What is that? Plus is concatenation operator. What is available for us? Plus is nothing but concatenation operator. Okay. So plus also used for addition, also used for concatenation. Plus is both addition operator and concatenation operator. Then how do we identify? Number plus number means addition. String plus number, number plus string, string plus string, all these are concatenation operator. 4 options are there. 4 options. Number plus number we are writing means addition. Sure. Number plus number. Any number you tell me. Suppose 10 plus 5. That is number plus number. That is additions for sure. But anything other than that, maybe string plus number, number plus string, string plus string. All these are examples of concatenation operator. Now listen. Write it. It is used to attach 2 strings. That means at the end of first string, the second string will be added. At the end of first one, second one will be added. And here, number plus number is equal to addition only. Addition of numbers. String plus number is a concatenation. Number plus string also concatenation. String plus string is a concatenation. Okay, clear. Now just check it out. Now I am going to write something like first try to understand what is the meaning of concatenation. At the end of some string, we are just attaching the second string. Both strings will become as a single string. First, what is the meaning of string? Collection of characters. Collection of characters is string. At the end of one string, we are attaching a second string that is becoming as a single string. So combining, attaching 2 strings is equal to single string is nothing but concatenation in general. For example, Durga, soft. Durga is one string, soft is another string. Both become as a Durga soft. So it will become as a single string, that is nothing but what? Concatenation basically. So just check it out, where some variable name, for example S1, S for string, Durga, S2 is equal to soft. I want to attach the 2 strings at the end of Durga, soft I want to attach. Then what to do? S3 is equal to S1 plus we have to use plus S2. First right side part executes. Don't think about left side one. Don't write first, listen. S1 is nothing but what? S1 is Durga. S2 is soft. So at the end of Durga, soft will be attached. Finally, it will become which one? Single string. What is the single string? Durga soft will be added. Now, that will be stored into S3, and S3 we are able to display. S3 we are able to display. Now we can check the console. Now we can see which one? Single string value Durga soft. Got it? Single string value. String value can be kept in double quotes or single quotes. Both are no different here. In JavaScript, double quotes, single quotes, both are same. That's all. This is the basic meaning of concatenation. Next, we have a number. Assume that we have a number. And I want to concatenate. Listen. So, where S4 is equal to, listen carefully, S4 is equal to S1 plus N. I am printing S4. Now tell me output. Durga 100. Durga 100. Just check it. Durga. Just I am writing output here just for understanding. We are expecting Durga 100 because S1 is nothing but what? Durga. N is nothing but what? 100. So Durga 100. The result also will be string. String plus number result is a string only. Number plus string result also string only. String plus number plus string, both are concatenation. Both result is string only. First of all, string means not only alphabets. Many people thinking that string means only alphabets allowed. String means alphabets, digits, special characters, spaces, everything is a string only. Listen first. Okay, now I am trying to provide one more. S5 is equal to N plus S1. Tell me output here. S5 will be, output is 100 Durga. Just check it. 100 Durga, check it. Got it. Last one. Of your understanding. Next. That's all right. These are nothing but concatenation. Only three possibilities. What are they? String plus string is one possibility. String plus number is other possibility. Number plus string is another possibility. Three possibilities of concatenation. That's all. Write this.